Hi guys, welcome to javainterviewquestions.com. Today we'll see one important interview question on exception handling, that is difference between exception and error in Java. Difference between exception and error in Java. So first and foremost difference is exceptions can be recovered, errors cannot be recovered. So let's see why exceptions can be recovered. So here in coming to the exception, there are two types of exception. One is checked exception and the unchecked exceptions. So unchecked exceptions are mostly raised due to the programming mistakes. So if we try to properly handle the code, then exceptions can be recovered. But in case of errors, it cannot be recovered. Second, there are two types of exceptions. One is checked exception and unchecked exception, and there is no such classifications for errors. Errors are always unchecked. So exceptions are of two types, checked and unchecked, but there is no classification for errors. The errors are always unchecked. So in case of checked exception, what compiler does is it will have the knowledge of checked exception and force to keep try-catch blocks. So compiler will force us to keep try-catch blocks. But in case of errors, compiler won't have knowledge of errors. In case of errors, compiler won't have knowledge. So it doesn't force any try-catch blocks or throws keyword. Let's see the list of exceptions. We can see IO exception, arithmetic exception, SQL exception, and null pointer exception. So these exceptions includes both checked and unchecked. So if we take IO and SQL, those are checked exception. Arithmetic exception and null pointer exception, those are unchecked exceptions. And the next one is error. Here are the four different examples for error: out of memory error, stack overflow error, virtual machine error, and IO error. Out of memory error, stack overflow error, virtual machine error, and IO error. Hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my video.